So yeah, hey guys, welcome to 1000 Days of Programming Challenge. This is day zero, and for the next 1000 days, I'll be programming daily and will keep track of my journey on YouTube. So on how I got this idea is from this guy. This guy who is doing 400 days of programming channels. Uh, I've been watching this video since day 4 or 5, and he has is like consistent and like kind of does what I want to do as well. So for the next 1000 days, these are my goals. I want to learn Unity. I want to learn Flutter, and I would like to be consistent with doing these equations on leaf code daily. I also want to learn JavaScript completely. I do know a little bit of JavaScript, but I'm not very good at it. I would like to be at least at the intermediate level, and I would also like to learn React in the next 1000 days. It would be great if I could I could learn like any backend framework as well. And the main thing is I want to be consistent uh, for at least 4 hours a day. So I would like to just do the programming and stuff for at least 2 hours a day. And there is a ML course, machine learning course uh, that was provided by my college, which I would like to complete. This is that course. I'm not even halfway through the course. I'm around here, and I have a lot of things to do. So yeah, what I want to do with this channel going forward is to just post daily videos on my progress and how I learn and what I learned. Similar to this challenge 400 days guide. Yeah, so that's it for the day zero, and tomorrow I will start with all of these